Yeah, I see.
Paint, right? Yeah. So
Yeah,
today's topic of discussion is what?
I see. Functions.
Function. Okay. Now function is okay. So let's say uh,
But Mister, there is no screen.
you don't
I
see my
don't have
screen.
anything. No, just you.
One second. Let me share that. Now
Yeah. Now I can see it.
you can see, right?
Yes.
Okay, nice, mashallah. So function. Now let's say there is one poor person. What you call?
One poor person.
Poor family. Okay. And then one is rich family. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Like Sheikh. Like you had gone to Dubai. So we'll take example of Sheikh Hamdan bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now this is rich family, right? Very rich.
Yes. Very rich.
Very rich. So poor family, who does the cooking? The family member do, right?
Yes.
The mother do or some family member do. Who does the cleaning?
Family member.
Family member do. Okay. If they have car, who does driving?
A driver. A family
Family
member.
member. Okay. So whatever
Yes.
task they who do, if they have garden, let's say if they have garden, then who will maintain the garden?
A family member.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. And now if we take example of this rich family, who
Mm-hmm.
does cooking?
A cooker.
Cook will do, right? Who will do
Yes.
cleaning?
Cleaner. Maid.
Maid will do, right? Who will do
Yes.
driving?
A driver.
And who will take care of the garden?
Gardener.
So like this, for each job they have a dedicated person, right?
Yeah.
And here one person is doing everything, correct? Or the family
Yes.
member is doing everything, correct?
Yes.
So if you are given a choice, which lifestyle would you choose? If you are given a choice, like Muhammad, which lifestyle would you want to live? What would you choose? Left or right?
Right.
Everybody would choose this, right?
Of course.
But in the programming, we are doing this. But while programming, we are choosing this.
The left.
Yeah. But now what are we doing in programming? We are choosing
The
this.
left.
But this is not recommended. This is what?
Not recommended.
What is recommended? The right style. This is recommended that you should, right?
Yes. But why we do the left and we can do the right?
Yeah. No, for beginner level.
Okay.
For
For
new
begin.
new
Now we.
new programmer, he does not know programming, so he will do left style. Okay.
Yeah. Like
Then
here.
once he become good programmer, he will switch to right style, he will become rich. Okay, everybody start from poor, right?
Yeah. Everyone starts from one.
And then they grow and become rich, correct?
Of course.
So right now we are in programming, we are miskin right now. Then gradually when we become good programmer, we will become rich programmer. Understood?
Yeah. Yes.
On day one we will not become rich programmer, we will first be poor programmer, then slowly when we will put the effort, we will become rich programmer, right?
Of course.
Making
Yes.
sense?
Yes. Now understood.
Yeah. So right now we are in this stage of programming, that we are giving load the entire work to one person, we are giving the entire load to
One person.
the family. Then we will come to function, when we will do what?
The function.
Then we will distribute the load. What we will do? Distribute the.
No.
Okay, are you getting the point?
Okay.
So now if I tell you, Muhammad, write a program to find, to calculate area of circle and area of rectangle. Okay, if I tell you do this program, what is the program?
Write a program to calculate area of circle and area of rectangle.
Yeah, so by calculate I mean you have to display also. By calculate I mean you have to also,
Display.
so calculate and display, right?
Yeah.
So now how will poor programmer do this and how will rich programmer do this? There are two styles, right?
Everybody has this time.
Yeah, so one style is of poor programmer. So all this while we were following the poor programmer style. Okay.
Yeah.
Now today we will learn the style of whom? The
The right side.
rich programmer. Okay.
Yes.
So let's first do with poor programmer, then we will shift to rich programmer so you understand. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So how will we do the program? You see my screen?
Yeah. Hash include iOS 3.
Yes. So we will start with the beginning so that you don't miss out. So you will say hash include
iOS 3.
dot h void main. Okay.
Yeah, and main or
Void main. You want to use int main, you can use int main. Now this void main, this is called function. This is called what?
function.
Anything which has a name and then has round bracket is called function.
So anything has a name after the bracket, it's a function.
Function, yeah. That is how you will identify function. That's how you will identify
Function.
So if there is a conference, if there is a
Conference.
world conference, it is, let's say, in Paris or in Dubai or in London, wherever. Okay, it is a world conference. All the world all world doctors have come there. Who have come there?
What doctors?
Doctors and, okay, big business person have come in that seminar. So there you will see English people, German people, Japanese people, Chinese people, Indian people, everyone, right?
Yeah.
How will you identify that this person is Arab? How will you identify the Arab people?
By their identification.
Yes, so you will see he is wearing a white color thobe, right?
Yeah, or speaking in Arabic.
Yeah, so you will identify, no, how will you, he will speak, but when you will see him, you will know that he is Arab, right?
Yes.
So he will wear a white color robe, right?
Yeah.
Then he will have a red color scarf or with a black ring on it, correct?
Yes.
That is, yeah, so the traditional Arab look he will have, correct?
Of course, yes.
So with them, just at looking at the person, you will identify he is an Arab, correct?
Yes.
So like this, just looking at, you will recognize this is function. This is what?
Yeah, you will understand its function.
So you just have to see any spelling, and after that what you have?
My function.
The round bracket, okay?
The round bracket.
Now this,
the hash include iOS stream is a function.
no, this is not round bracket. This is square bracket. This is angular bracket.
Just round.
Round bracket. Round. This bracket. This bracket. Round bracket.
Okay.
Getting the point. Hash include is angular bracket. Angular.
Okay, it's called angular.
Angular. It is an angle, right? It is. And this is parenthesis. What is this?
Parenthesis.
This is square bracket. What is this?
Square bracket.
And I am talking of round bracket. So this is round bracket.
Yes.
Okay. Round bracket is round. So anything which has a name. So if you want to make Muhammad function, you will make like this. Okay. If you want to make Dr. Ahmad function, you will make like this. Getting?
Yes,
If you want to
yes.
make Riyadh function, you will make like this. If you want to make Dubai function, you will make like this. Anything. But after that, you will have round bracket. Okay?
So name after it round bracket this function.
Yeah. And that bracket can be empty and that bracket can have something inside it. Both possibility can be there. You can have
So
any
even,
data type
even
also,
if there is something,
like
even if there
integer
is
A.
something inside the bracket, it's function.
Yeah, it is function. But integer A, or you can have any character A, anything you can have in the, or you can have more than one also. Integer A, comma, character B. You can have three also. Integer A, anything you can have, anything. Character B, character C. You can have anything. You can have array also inside, whatever. So this is called non-parameterized function. What is this called?
Non-parameterized function.
Non-parameterized. Okay.
Yeah.
And this which has inside is called parameterized function. Are you getting the difference?
The inside.
Yeah, if there is something in the inside, this is called as,
The parameterized function.
yeah. Yes, no, maybe. Is this clear, understood?
Yeah, until now.
And you can give any name to the function, whatever you want to give. Okay.
Any name I choose.
Yeah, but the name of the function should be equal to the, okay, that we will do later on. You can give any name to the function. So far understood?
Yeah, until now.
So what is main?
Main is function.
Which function? Parameterized, non-parameterized?
Non-parameterized.
What it is?
Non-parameterized.
Non-parameterized function, right?
Yeah, because there is nothing
Yes.
inside the bucket.
Correct? Okay. So now, so we will, as we go, we will do detail. So now this main is the family. Is the who? Family. Okay.
Yeah.
So we will take one more example. In Saudi Arabia, when there is marriage, when there is,
Marriage.
do you all print marriage cards for invitation?
Yeah, of course.
You all print, right?
Yeah.
To invite guests, right?
Yes.
So on the marriage card, what is the first name which is written on the top?
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah, okay. Assalamu alaikum. Or Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay.
Yeah, and like this, and
Wa
then
rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Okay. Then after that, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Yeah, and then after it, congrats.
No, whose name? I'm asking name.
Mohammed.
Whose name comes first?
The guy who's married.
Is it?
Yeah, the husband.
Before that?
Well, first, Assalamu alaikum, then they say congrats to the husband.
Okay.
And then they say welcome.
Okay. What we do in India over here? Okay. What is your grandfather's name? Mohammad.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we do in, my grandfather's name is Ismail. Okay.
Yeah.
So what we do is, Mr. Ismail, my surname is Solanki, would like to invite you for the wedding of his grandson. And then this, so the first name would always be the eldest person in the family. Whose name would come first?
The oldest guy.
Okay, after all the salawat and after all the salam alaikum and after Bismillah Rahman Rahim, after the Bismillah, after the Salaam Alaikum, everything, the first name of the card would be the name of the eldest person of the family. And then we would write the name of the groom. So then you would write groom, okay, then my father name would come. And then, or it would be like this, just my name, and below would be written my father's name, son of Yakub Ismail Solanki, blah 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 blah.
So
Okay,
your grandfather, then
yeah,
father.
and with it would come with, and then my wife's name, blah blah blah, daughter of blah 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 blah, and then at what date and which location, everything detail would come there. Okay,
Okay.
but the first name would come of the elder, yes or no?
Yeah.
Because he is the most senior person.
Grandfather.
He is the most, which person?
Senior. Right?
Most respectable person, right?
Yes, yes. The
So
biggest guy.
out of respect we have to put the name, correct? Now
Yeah, yeah.
this person, the senior person, does he do any work for the marriage? Like, does he go and book the hall? Does he go and talk to the event manager? Does he do any work? No, he will just stay at home.
Yeah, yeah.
Now if he has 3 sons,
And all the grandchildren and the father.
yeah, all his grandchildren, his son will do the work, right?
Yeah.
But he will just give instruction. What he will do?
Give instructions.
Just give what? So he will tell his son, one, that you go and take look at the caterer, look at the
Yeah.
the fooding. Which part? He will tell you go and take part of the marriage hall. How, which hall to book and what decoration to do. Marriage hall and decoration. He will tell to whom? His second son, right? Then his third son, he will tell you go and take care of the shopping. Yes or no?
Instructions. Yeah. Yeah.
But is the old man doing any work himself?
Problem.
Yeah. So will the old man do any work?
No, no, just the sons.
And he will just give instruction. What he will do?
Give instructions.
Have you ever seen old man going and doing every work? Is that good?
No, no, no.
Is that good that old man is doing all the work? Will people call that family good family?
No, bad family.
Yeah. So right now what are we doing? We are doing, so the old man is your void main. Your old man is whom?
Yeah.
Who is he?
Yes.
Okay, you see my screen?
Yeah.
So the old man, void main is the, yeah, Mohammad. Hello.
Head of the family. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So who is void main?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. The head of the family, old man.
Old man. So if I have to calculate area of circle, what variable do I need?
You have to find the radius.
So we have to accept the radius, right?
Yes.
And then
CM.
we have to calculate the area. Area will be in float because it will be in decimal. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
So what will be the formula for area circle?
3.14 divided by the radius.
And then we will display the answer.
Yes, yes.
Area of circle is What?
of the area circle.
Getting the point?
Uh-huh.
This is how we would do. Yes.
Yes, yes.
This is poor programmer. This is where? Who is this?
But this,
Yes. Tell me. Yeah, Mohammed.
sorry,
Yeah. Tell me.
I said that. I said the function doesn't have anything to do with
Yes. Yes. Tell
the
me.
area circle.
Yes. Yes. Your voice is breaking in the between.
The function just in the radius and area circle.
Mm-hmm.
I think because the internet.
Yeah. Your voice is breaking, Mohammed. Hello.
Yes, yes, I hear you, Mister.
Yeah. Yeah. You tell me. What is the question?
I said the function.
Mm-hmm. Function is main.
No. The function is just not related with the area circle and the radius, right?
Mm-hmm.
It can be with other programs. You choose this one.
Means.
You choose the area circle.
Mm-hmm.
You
Yes.
understand me?
No. No. I didn't get your question.
The function.
Function is main.
Yeah, I understand. It's not just related with the area circle and the radius.
Mm-hmm.
It can be with any other program.
Yes. Yes. That I will show you now. I am just telling you all this while we were doing like this. Correct?
Yes, yes.
Till now we were doing this programming. Correct?
Yeah.
This is poor programming. This is which programming?
Or this programming.
Poor. This is the poor family, which I showed you.
Yes.
Right? So now we have to do rich programming. What we have to do?
For the forward.
Yeah. So if in the marriage one task is of caterer, it's what of whom?
Caterer.
What does caterer do? Cooks food, right?
Yes.
So what does the so if there is marriage at the rich family marriage, which family?
Marriage.
So let's say there is marriage of very rich family. Okay, what do they do if for their walima, for their reception? What do they do?
They will bring the cooker and
They will book a hotel. They will book a
hotel.
correct.
Yes.
So if they have, let's say, what do you call? Which dish do you like?
For what?
What is your favorite food? So what is your favorite food?
Let's say chicken curry.
Chicken curry. Okay. So who will buy the chicken?
The cooker.
So this is the old man. Okay, the head of the family. Who is he?
The head of the family.
So if their family is very rich, so let's say this is Sheikh. Okay, Rashid Al Maktoum. Okay, head of the family. Okay,
Yes.
so he is the head of the family. He is the eldest. Okay, he is the king.
Mm-hmm.
So he will call the hotel. Okay, which hotel is there with big in Dubai? Burj Khalifa
Yeah. The biggest,
or Burj Al Arab. Okay.
Yeah.
So if he is keeping his son's reception in Burj Al Arab, okay.
Yeah.
So and he one dish in the walima is chicken curry. What is the dish?
Chicken curry.
So my question is, who will buy the chicken? Sheikh Rashid or Burj Al Khalifa?
Burj Khalifa.
Yeah, and who will cook the chicken?
The
Yeah, no, just the cook is of Burj Khalifa. Just we are having two people. We are having just two people now. Rashid Al Maktoum and Burj Khalifa. Bas, that's all. So tell me from these two, who will cook
Yeah. Burj Khalifa.
and
Burj Khalifa.
who will serve?
Burj Khalifa.
And old man will only give a call. Will just give a.
Call.
He will just call and confirm the order, okay, and make payment. Who will buy?
The head of the family will buy.
No, head of the family will not buy.
The Burj Al Arab.
The cook, they are cooking, right?
Yeah, one of them.
Yeah, so one of they will book. So who will buy?
Who will buy? The guy who's.
Yeah, so the hotel will buy, right?
Yeah, hotel will buy.
So which is the hotel name we are? What is the hotel name we have kept?
Burj Al Arab.
So who will buy?
Burj Al Arab.
Who will cook?
The cooker.
Of Burj Al Arab, right?
Yeah.
We just have two people, Mohammad. We just have two people now. One people is Sheikh Rashid Al Maktoum, and second is Burj Al Arab. Just answer in these two terms only. So who will buy?
Burj Al Arab.
Who will cook?
Burj Al Arab.
Yeah, who will serve?
Burj Al Arab.
Beautiful. Okay, now if while placing the order, you know what is buffet system? Buffet system.
Yeah.
So in the buffet system, it is per plate. It is what?
Per day.
Charges is per plate. Okay.
Yeah.
So Sheikh Rashid talks to Burj Khalifa. He tells, I want 10 cold drink, 10 juices. I want 10 starter like barbecue. I want 10 main course.
Okay.
I want 10 desserts. I want 10 salads. Okay, like this he tells.
Yes.
So what will be the charge for one plate? So they say per plate is 100 dirham. What they say?
100 dirham.
So he tells, I will have 1500 guests. I will have how many guests?
1500.
So what is total amount?
1500 guests with 100 dirham. It will be 150.
150 0000, right?
Yeah.
150,000, correct?
Yes.
So on that day it was raining heavily. It was very heavy rain, and out of 1500 guests, only 1200 guests come. How many guests come?
1200.
So will Burj Al Arab return back the food of 300 people? Will it return the food of 300 people that you have paid for 1500? So will it return anything? They will not return. It is not in their policy. They will say, no, we have cooked the food. If your guest did not come, we will not return anything. Correct?
Yes.
Are you understanding?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
So here, Muhammad, in the first scenario, this variable declaration and accepting the value, this I will call as buy. I will call as what?
Buy.
And then putting the formula I will call as cook. I will call as
Cook.
and displaying the answer I will call as serve. I will call as serve, right? So in the poor family, they themselves will buy the chicken, they themselves will cook, they themselves will serve, right?
Yes.
So this is what we have been doing all this while, poor programming, correct?
Yeah.
Now what the rich people will do, okay, they will make a function, they will make a
Function.
by the name,
By the name of
you see over here,
yeah,
what?
the area set.
And that area circle function will do everything. That area circle function will do everything for them.
Yes.
Okay. So that area, so this main is Sheikh Rashid Al Maktoum. This main is who?
Rashid Al-Maktoum.
Yeah. And the area circle function is Burj Al Arab. Getting? So Rashid Al Maktoum will only call the function. Will only do what?
Call the function.
Everything will be done by the function.
Yes.
Understood?
Yeah, I'm getting.
And we write void when the function does not return anything back. Why do you write void?
When you return everything back.
Nothing. When function does not return,
Return.
So if he had paid for 1500 people. He had paid for how much? 1500. But due to rain, only how many people came?
1200.
So will Burj Al Arab give back the food of 300 people? No. So Burj Al Arab will not return anything. So void. Okay.
Yes.
Function which does not return. What do we write? Void. What do we write?
Void area.
Okay. Now if I want to calculate area of rectangle. So the poor programmer style. What would be the poor programmer style? The poor programmer style would be what? The poor this would be poor programmer style. See, I'll show you. So this should be poor programmer style. So that main function will only declare the length and breadth. Will declare the because for area of circle rectangle, what do we require? Length and width. What do you call? You call it width.
Width, yeah.
So who will declare the length and width? The poor style. They only will do everything. Poor person will do his own laundry, will do his own cooking, will do his own driving, will do his own driving the car, right?
Yeah.
So we are doing all poor programmer all this. So integer length and width. Then who will accept it from user?
Okay.
They will only accept it, right? What will they say? Enter length, and we will take in where? Length. Then they will say enter. What will they say? Enter
length.
width and then they will put the formula. Area rectangle will be length multiplied by width, and then they will display the answer. So
but
if
Mr. The example you give me now, the example for the poor and family, poor and rich people, it has to link with the program area and circle analytics.
Yeah. So now this poor person, he himself is doing everything. Everything is done by whom? The poor person, right? He is declaring the variable, he is taking value from user, he is putting formula, and he is displaying, correct?
Yes.
But now what will the rich person do? He will make a function. What will he make?
Function.
By what name? Area
circle.
Area rectangle. And all that job will be done by the function. Will be done by the function. Getting the point?
Yes, understand.
So area rectangle. What does that need? Integer length and width, and answer will also be integer. When I multiply integer with integer, answer will also be okay. Name of function should not be same as the variable name. Okay.
Yes.
So we will just say answer. Let's say as of now I will just say answer, and then what will we say? Enter. I will written over here. No, I will just copy it. Getting the point, Mohammed, what I'm trying to show?
Yes, yes.
So like this, main is just giving instruction. Main is like the old man. Main is like the
Okay.
just giving instruction that please call area circle, call area rectangle. Like rich man, tell driver, okay, ride my car. Tell cook, oh, cook my food. Tell gardener, take care of my garden. Tell maid, do the sweeping. He will only give instruction. The entire work will be done by the maid. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So like this, we are increasing the function. So more the function, the more the program is becoming strong. Okay. So more the number of workers, more the rich person. Correct.
Okay.
More the khadim, more the rich family. Correct.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now Sheikh Rashid Al Maktoum is having more khadim than family member. Right.
Yeah.
In his house, he will have 100 khadim and he will have 10 people. Correct.
Yes.
So like this, the functions, they make the program more strong. So this is rich style of programming. Understood?
Yeah, make it a richer poor.
Okay?
But now, Mister, you are comparing between poor and rich, right?
Yes. Yes.
In the program. Okay.
Yeah. So now forget about the poor. Now we will do only rich programming. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now just do one thing. You have to just copy this first, the function first line copy and put it above main. Put it above
Main.
and give semicolon. Give what?
Semicolon.
Just copy the first line of the function. Just copy the first line and put it where? Above
The column.
and give semicolon. Okay?
Okay, okay.
I will just remove this comment so that you don't get confused. And then you can run this. If you want, I can run this program for you also.
Okay, no problem. You run it?
Yeah, I'm running it. Yes. I will remove all these comments that don't confuse you. What is this? All that. Okay?
Yes, yes, yes.
So, okay. The area circle. Okay. The name of function and name of variable should not be same. Okay? So you can just give any other name. You can just give any other name. Okay?
Okay.
Understood? Yeah, now let me run this. Okay? So I've copied the program, pasted it, trying to run, and it says that on line number 25 I have 35, 37 I have missed out the undefined symbol. Okay, the spelling is wrong. Spelling is wrong, I guess. So I have taken radius result. So for LENGTH, what is this?
Mister, the void
Here. See here. See here. It is LENGTH, and I have taken over here HT. Right?
Get confused.
Yeah. So just spelling mistake. And with WIDTH, and I have written over here.
Yeah, without H.
Yeah, I have switched the L H and T, no?
And the CN. Yes, yes.
Okay. And the formula is LENGTH. What is it? Yeah, this mistake happens a lot. And WIDTH, right?
Yes, yes. Just
a small mistake, not a problem. Now I again run. You see my screen?
Yeah.
What happened now again? Line 25. Line 25. What is line 25? Okay, only seen. What is it? Radius, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I deleted it when I was doing that. When I was doing that, no, that shake and all that stuff. Okay, see if you see.
Okay.
So radius 5. If I enter, it will say area of circle is how much? 8.5. Now if I give length as 10, width as 20, area of rectangle is
200.
Okay, and I have given the task to the function, and my main is very light and clean. Okay, no load to the old man. Old man.
Mr. The void react. What?
Huh?
Shortcut for rectangle.
Yeah, rectangle is shortcut. And void means it will not return anything. It will not return
anything.
That is void. Okay.
Yes.
So I will just paste this on your group.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll send it to you. Okay.